Hello, everybody. Do you suffer from growling, noisy stomach at night or in the daytime and you feel your stomach is full of air? The full remedy without any medication is this. All you have to do is lie down and put your feet like you're going to do some push ups like that, and put your hand on your stomach and stay in that position for like 10 to 20 minutes, up to 30 minutes, and all that air will come out. It's going to be farting. You're going to be farting. It's funny, but you'll feel a lot of relief. Believe me, without any medications. That happens usually at night, or you ate something that causes your stomach to grumble or make sounds, noisy sounds, like it's full of air. All you have to do is put your hand on your stomach like this and put your knees like that, like you're doing some push ups, and put a pillow on your head. You can do it in the couch, on the floor, or in the bed. And just like that, you'll feel the air slowly going down from your intestines to your anus. All right? And you'll feel it. No medication. And you'll feel all the air come out of your butt. All right? It's funny, but it's the remedy, and you'll feel a lot better. All right? Especially at night. And that's all you have to do. All right. Thank you.